The lighting in here is really bad, but it's about to get a whole lot better. So, I did buy a whole new bedroom. I did do that, yeah. And I'm talking while I'm opening things, and I'm really excited. I don't know why I sound like this. First of all, we've got some adapters and some batteries. Not as fun. Didn't know that was there. And then we have my entire bedroom. What is this? Okay. So I got some LED lights, a sheet set in black, packing material. Yes. Save the turtles. Turtles love balloons. Storage boxes in black, a duvet, my sheet set. Ah! Okay, so what we're gonna do today is clean and redecorate my room. First thing I did was sort my clothes and decide what to keep and give away. I then decided to clean under my bed and all of my dressers and shelves and such. And after that was all finished, I watched a bootleg Hamilton on YouTube. After coming back to my senses, I stripped my bed, and it was finally time to put the new bedding and duvet and such on my mattresses, and this is how it went. Now for my favorite part, removing and redoing my LED lights. Let's go! Putting the new lights together was very difficult. I started reading the instructions and then realized I was reading the wrong side. I plugged them in and nothing was working, and I kept reading the instructions like, what am I doing wrong here? They're very clear instructions. I didn't know what was going on. And this is really how it went. After much stress, I realized that I had plugged the lights in backwards, and I also found out that they had a music button, so I started singing to them. After figuring out the mechanics, it was then time to hang up the lights, and let me tell you, walls are high, but I am short, and this is how that went. After my lights were up and working, I went to go make myself a burger, and when I got back to my room, I found out that my Hamilton bootleg had been copywritten by YouTube and taken down, so I had to find another one, but it was okay because it was okay. And the burger was great, and I had a good day, and I was looking at my lights, and then I realized that I hadn't put up my boxes, so I had to do that. And yes, I'm drinking cranberry juice out of a sippy cup and dancing to Hamilton. Leave me alone. Now that I'm editing, I've decided that watching me put stuff from colored boxes into black boxes is not very entertaining. So you get to watch me drink juice and watch Hamilton and enjoy life while my room is finished. And I'm actually enjoying it. I'm in my bed and I'm tired because I woke up at something this morning and went to bed at something this morning. So, welcome to quarantine, ladies and gentlemen. I'll see you, I don't know,